Those who work hard on their pool game will succeed, and those who don't will fail. It's as easy as that. And we run into trouble with our communication, with our differences on how we define success. If pool is your primary source of income, if you're feeding and housing yourself while maintaining a decent lifestyle through the game of pool, then you are professional, and that's how I define success. Most high-level tournaments are 9-ball and 10-ball. Most high-level road action is in one pocket, but there's still a lot in 8-ball and 9-ball. If you can play all three of those games, you should probably stay home.
I packed a photo of us from our very first date.
Good shot. Good shot. Keep going. Keep running them out there.
You packed the water 'cause I couldn't carry the weight. And into the ashes you carved out a heart with our names. I can still picture your smile through the mask on your face. And we keep dancing through sight and sound. They drown the crying out, but there's nothing to cry about, 'cause there's no one that I'd rather watch the world end with. We used to joke about how we thought this would go down. Super volcanoes and meteors out of the clouds. And we always knew it would end in a nuclear shroud. And we could say we told you so, but what good is that now? And
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and see the little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness.
Once you get your brake working, proceed to run out, and if you get bad position, reset the shots and shoot them until you're getting good position. If you just flat out miss an easy shot, reset that shot and shoot it until you're making it. Now, before you even do any of this, you have to make sure your basics are right and your stroke is straight. And if you ignore all this, you'll be telling your subconscious that everything is fine and you did exactly what you wanted to do.
With a bass fiddle? With a bass fiddle. My dad used to say that all the time.
See, I'd be dumb if I pocketed that
Oh,
box.
you don't do that.
That's what I was talking about on the 9-ball. If you want.
Why would it be bad to make the 13?
Trying to get up
Look
there.
what I gotta have
Well,
on
you don't
my
wanna
head.
get
I mean,
down to just
15
one ball. You wanna have a shape ball to get on your other ball.
Yeah,
And it's 115.
that has to go here. So I mean, you buy absolutely nothing making that 13. That's
They
dumb.
don't.
Because then all y'all gotta do, I got one ball to try to hit. And then, chances of me making a good hit right here are slim. And even if I did, y'all could easily go up there and hook us and get ball in hand.
And
So you don't wanna do
what would
that.
happen, Steve, if you just touch it and put their one on the rail, like it right there? You got them out, man.
You run us around like a duck after a June bug. You know how they used to go.
If this one at 15, these guys, they play to win.
I packed a photo of us from our very first date. You packed the water 'cause I couldn't carry the weight. And into the ashes you carved out a heart with our names. I can still picture your smile through the mask on your face. And we keep